Example 16. A factory produces TV sets, 600 in the third year, 700 in the seventh year. Production increases by the same amount each year. Find production in the first year, the 10th year, and total for the first 7 years. Step 1. Form equations using AN equals A plus N minus 1 times D third year, A plus 2D equals 600. Seventh year, A plus 6D equals 700. Subtracting, 4D equals 100, so D equals 25. Then A equals 550. Step 2. Calculate. First year, 550 sets. 10th year, A 10 equals 550 plus 9 times 25 equals 775 sets. Total in 7 years, S7 equals 7 over 2 times 1100 plus 150 equals 4375 sets. Exercise 5.1, Question 1. Which of the following situations form an AP? Part I. Taxi fare, 15, 23, 31, 39. Common difference is 8. Yes, AP with D equals 8. Part 2. Vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the remaining air each stroke. Sequence V, 3/4 V, 9/16 V. Differences not equal. Not an AP. Part 3. Digging cost 150, 200, 250, 300 rupees. Common difference is 50. Yes, AP with D equals 50. Part 4. Compound interest on 10,000 rupees at 8%, 10,000, 10800, 11664. Differences are 800 and 864, not equal. Not an AP. Exercise 5.1, Question 2. Write the first 4 terms of the AP when A and D are given. 1. A equals 10, D equals 10, terms are 10, 20, 30, 40. 2. A equals minus 2, D equals 0, terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 3. A equals 4, D equals minus 3, terms are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. 4. A equals minus 1, D equals 1/2, terms are minus 1, minus 0.5, 0, 0.5. 5. A equals minus 1.25, D equals minus 0.25, terms are minus 1.25, minus 1.5, minus 1.75, minus 2. Exercise 5.1, Question 3. For the following APs, write the first term and common difference. 1, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, A equals 3, D equals minus 2. 2, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, A equals minus 5, D equals 4. 3, 1/3, 5/3, 9/3, 13/3, A equals 1/3, D equals 4/3. 4, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, A equals 0.6, D equals 1.1. Exercise 5.1, Question 4. Which of the following lists are APs? For those that are, find A and D. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Differences are 2, 4, 8, not constant. Not an AP. 2, 2, 5 halves, 3, 7 halves. Differences are 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, constant. AP with A equals 2, D equals 1/2. 3, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. Differences are minus 2 throughout. AP with A equals minus 1.2, D equals minus 2. 4, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, D equals 4. AP. 5, 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, D equals root 2. AP. 6, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222. Differences are 0.02, 0.002, not constant. Not an AP. Exercise 5.2, Question 1. Fill in the blanks in the following table using the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, and an is the nth term. Row I. A equals 7, d equals 3, n equals 8. Find an. A 8 equals 7 plus 7 times 3 equals 7 plus 21 equals 28. Row 2. A equals minus 18, an equals 0, n equals 10. Find d. 0 equals minus 18 plus 9d. 18 equals 9d. Therefore d equals 2. Row 3. d equals minus 3, n equals 18, an equals minus 5. Find a minus 5 equals a plus 17 times minus 3. Minus 5 equals a minus 51. Therefore a equals 46. Row 4. A equals minus 18.9, d equals 2.5, an equals 3.6. Find n. 3.6 equals minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 times 2.5. 22.5 equals n minus 1 times 2.5. n minus 1 equals 9. Therefore n equals 10. Row v. A equals 3.5, d equals 0, n equals 105. Find an. Since d equals 0, every term equals 3.5. Therefore a 105 equals 3.5. Exercise 5.2, Question 2. Choose the correct option. 1. The 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4, a equals 10, d equals minus 3. A underscore 30 equals 10 plus 29 times, minus 3, equals 10 minus 87 equals minus 77. Answer, A. 2. 11th term of the AP minus 3, minus 1 half, 2, a equals minus 3, d equals 5 halves. A underscore 11 equals minus 3 plus 10 times 5 divided by 2 equals minus 3 plus 25 equals 22. Answer, B. Exercise 5.2, Question 3. In various APs, find which term equals the given value. 1, 7, 13, 19. Which term is 205? A equals 7, d equals 6. 205 equals 7 plus n1 times 6. n minus 1 equals 33. n equals 34. It is the 34th term. 2, 18, 15.5, 13. Which term is minus 47? d equals minus 2.5. Minus 47 equals 18 plus n1 minus 2.5. n1 equals 26. n equals 27. 3. In minus 1 minus root 2, minus 1 minus 2 root 2. Which term is minus 1 minus 20 root 2? d equals root 2. n1 equals 20. n equals 21. Exercise 5.2, Question 4. How many terms are there in the AP 7, 13, 19, 205? A equals 7, d equals 6, last term equals 205. 205 equals 7 plus n minus 1 times 6. 198 equals 6, n minus 1. n minus 1 equals 33. n equals 34. There are 34 terms in this AP.